Hey there, are you wondering on how to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2026? If yes, you will find answers in this video. This video is a complete guide on how to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2026, and if it is possible to cheat on CompTIA certifications. Watching this video makes cheating on CompTIA certifications to look like a child's play. Hello everyone, Proctor Tutors here with another amazing video on certification and proctored exams cheating series where we will handle all questions related to CompTIA certifications. For example, is it possible to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2026? How do you cheat on CompTIA certification with the webcam on? Is it safe to cheat on CompTIA certification with on-view proctoring? What are the best ways to cheat on this certification and get guaranteed pass? We will answer all these questions in this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Before going into the details of cheating on CompTIA certification, let me elaborate on what CompTIA is and its impact as an IT certification to your career. CompTIA certifications are industry-recognized credentials offered by the Computing Technology Industry Association, or CompTIA. These certifications cover a wide range of IT skills. Thus, CompTIA certifications are considered as the key to IT advancement. Next, we discuss how to cheat on CompTIA exam when it is proctored by Pearson VUE. All CompTIA certification exams are proctored by Pearson VUE, which means the whole session is overseen by a vigilant proctor. A student has to schedule exam with Pearson VUE, and at the time of exam, student downloads and install the OnView program and start the check-in process. The proctor confirms the identity of student, and then the student is asked to show their exam environment, where a complete environment check is done carefully. After check-in process, the exam starts, and student is monitored closely by Pearson VUE's controlled environment in which student can only access exam content. Now let's come to the most important question. Is it possible to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2026? The answer is a resounding yes. It is very possible to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2026, but only with advanced methods as exam proctoring has evolved, and the cheating techniques have also evolved. Hence, cheating with conventional methods is almost impossible now. But it is very simple to cheat on CompTIA certification with help of technical expert method. Ask yourself this: how is it possible to cheat in CompTIA exam without being caught when webcam is on? The answer lies in what I'm about to tell you. With the help of our technical experts, you can easily cheat the CompTIA certification exam without being caught when the webcam is on. Our custom software's 100% safety guarantee is it creates zero risk to anyone, and the proctor will not detect the presence of the tool. There may be other methods to cheat on Pearson VUE exams, such as using a cell phone or making tiny notes. However, it's crucial to recognize that these tactics come with significant risks and could easily be detected by the vigilant proctors. Pearson VUE employs stringent security measures to ensure the integrity of its exams. So cheating on Pearson VUE is only possible by the technical expert method. How to get help to cheat CompTIA certification exam after scheduling with Pearson VUE? You can contact us through WhatsApp or fill out our student request form by clicking the link given in the description. All right, let's wrap this up. For today, we tried to answer all the questions regarding CompTIA certification cheating techniques. If you have any question regarding this exam or any other exam, you can ask in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips about cheating exams in 2026. Thank you for watching.